The best part, once you create the product, you can sell it repeatedly without much additional effort. Today, we are going to know about making money online. If you've been searching for ways to boost your income or even start a full-time online business, you are in the right place. In this video, we'll explore various methods and strategies that can help you make money online. So, let's jump right in. Method number 1, freelancing. Freelancing has become incredibly popular in recent years, thanks to the rise of online platforms that connect freelancers with clients. Whether you have skills in writing, graphic design, programming, or even virtual assistance, you can find freelancing opportunities online. Websites like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr are great places to start. Method number 2, affiliate marketing. If you have a passion for promoting products or services, affiliate marketing can be a lucrative option. Essentially, you earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. To get started, you can join affiliate networks like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or Sharizale. Find products or services that align with your niche or audience, create valuable content, and strategically place your affiliate links. With consistent effort and a targeted audience, you can generate passive income through affiliate marketing. Method number 3, creating and selling digital products. Are you a talented writer, designer? Why not turn your skills into profitable digital products? Ebooks, online courses, stock photos, music tracks, and software are just a few examples of digital products you can create. Platforms like Gumroad, Teachable, and Etsy provide an easy way to showcase and sell your creations. Leverage your expertise, create high-quality content, and market your digital products to your target audience. The best part, once you create the product, you can sell it repeatedly without much additional effort. If you found it helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content.